Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make payment to the IRS online in 2025. So the IRS offers different secure options like direct pay, the best and free, debit or credit, then EFTPS, great for recurring payments, or digital wallets like PayPal or Venmo, and it may apply fee. So let's now move to the best method, which is IRS direct pay. So first, all you have to do is go to the browser, then type this, or you can simply say IRS direct pay, and they will take you to this link. So now you are in their pages. All you have to do is click on make a payment. Now select a reason for payment like tax return or notice, then choose the tax tier, enter your payment or bank account info, then verify your identity using last year tax info, and finally submit your payment and save a confirmation number. Now go to the IRS approved payment sites like ACI Payment or Pay 1040 or Pay USA Tax and enter your payment detail and finish the transaction. These sites charges a processing fee when you're using a card. And now you go to eftpsgovernment.com, and once you are onto their page, click to enrollment. And when you scroll down, there are three options. You can enroll as business, individual or federal agency, and I will choose enroll because most people do this. So once you're enrolled, and in the enrollment form you have to fill out the personal info, contact info and bank info, then click review and then submit the form. After enrolling, all you have to do is go back to the home and click on make a payment to complete it. Remember, EFTPS is great for repeating tax payment like self-employment taxes or quarterly payment. After paying, all you have to do is save your confirmation receipt, and you can also check your IRS online account to track your payment status, and that's it. Now you know how to pay the IRS online in 2025. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.